Hey guys, it's a snowy blizzard kind of night. That is a hookah, which I am just putting back because it's in the way of where I need to be. So don't mind that. Got to use it only one time in Japan, but that's okay. Anyway, there's a thing, and the microphone is gonna go in just a minute because there's a lot of wind. So you see right over here, the snow is going whoosh. And there's a little star way up there. You can't see it because it's so small. Wow, it is really windy. Really chilly too. You should never go out in a snowstorm in short sleeves because it's freaking cold. But yeah, wind. Oh, there's the star over there. There are some more. That's actually Orion. You can't see that on the screen though, but that's okay. It's still there, I promise. Cold, cold, cold. Anyway, things, weather and snow, wind, and all that stuff. Be awesome. Okay, thanks. Bye.